Hey everyone, Ryan with Local Leads. Today I'm going to make this as quick as possible for you, so you're really only going to have to pay attention for about 2 minutes or so. If you've been in the insurance sales game very long, you know how important leads are to your business. But what's even more important is the follow-up on those leads and getting them to actually convert. You see, follow-up is not only key, it is king. And if you don't have a follow-up plan for all of the leads that you're purchasing currently, then really you're just burning up a bunch of money. I've been working one-on-one with insurance agents since 2010. And out of all the conversations I've had, only about 1 in 20 agents have a predefined set follow-up plan for the leads that they have in their system. And that lines up directly with the stats. If you jump over to Google right now, type in sales statistics, you'll see exactly what I see. 48% of the salespeople out there never follow up with an internet lead or a prospect in general. And the saddest part about that in their training is that 8 out of 10 sales, 80% of sales, are made after the 5th contact, not the first. Only 2% of sales are made on the first contact. So let me ask you a few questions. Is your sales process banking on your people closing the deal on the first contact, the first go-around? Does your team have a plan to get them past the 5th follow-up and to the other sales that they're missing out on right now? Does your sales team follow the plan that you have currently 100% of the time? Or are a whole bunch of leads sleeping through the cracks? And how much is that costing you? Right? We can take the guesswork out of the follow-up. Our customized follow-up processes start the second that you get the lead, then continue for an entire year after that. So you'll know what's happening on day 1, on day 5, on day 55, and day 365. So we're going to email them, we're going to text them, and we're even going to remarket to them other products that you offer. So if it was originally an auto insurance lead, we're going to remarket to them life insurance and home insurance and renter's insurance throughout the whole next year to squeeze as many dollars out of each of those leads as possible. We don't let any leads slip through the cracks at all. So whether you're buying internet leads, live transfers, Facebook, emails, or even age leads, we can squeeze every penny out of the leads that you're buying. So for less than a cup of coffee a day, let us put in place a follow-up process that you know will produce an ROI on the leads that you're currently purchasing. Click the link below to get started, and one of us will be in touch to get your account customized. Talk to you soon.